From the KATC Weatherland, here's Rob's forecast.
Welcome back. Well, it's going to be a chilly one tonight. Milder temperatures, though, on the way for the weekend, but unfortunately, it's going to come with cloud cover Saturday and rain likely for Sunday. So let's get into it and talk about that water vapor imagery as we look at the big picture. And we've been spying on our next weather maker. We're bird dogging it out in the Pacific, and this one's got a fair bit of moisture tapping the subtropical jet, the little atmospheric river coming on in, and a ton of moisture with this system. Again, we have a little bit of an upper level trough here that's kind of flattening out, but what we're going to have, active subtropical jet stream, you add this guy to it, and that means locally heavy rainfall as we get into Sunday. More on that in just a bit. Meanwhile, across much of the U.S., it's relatively quiet, but it is winter across the high plains where there are actually some blizzard warnings and some winter storm warnings and more snow up toward the Great Lakes area. But meanwhile, for us, it's been lots of sunshine, high pressure, the center of that high just to the west of us. That's going to be building eastward with time, and that's why tonight's going to be a chilly night. Now, new tonight, I want to update you on the severe weather reports that we had from Tuesday. We already talked about the tornadoes over to the east. National Weather Service finished their surveys yesterday evening on the tornadic activity across southeast Texas. And this one right here that ran from northwestern Calcasieu into Beauregard Parish, it moved 12 miles, was an EF2 with 125 mile per hour winds, 3 injuries, and numerous homes, businesses had damage to them. Farther south and east, we had another EF1 tornado, 100 mile an hour winds. That was on the ground for 7.2 miles over a relatively rural area, so damage was there to nature, but not too many man-made structures, so to speak. So just want to bring you up to date on that. And locally, we had the flooding, we had the strong winds, but fortunately, no confirmed tornadoes in the area, although we had some pretty good damage showing up Church Point up through Opelousas. So it could have been, circulation reaching the ground. And what we had last Tuesday night, these swirls, these definitive mesocyclones, and the question was, were they reaching the ground? Most of them stopped at about 400 or 500 feet, but some of them did reach the ground. You can see where we had those tornado verifications. Much of Acadiana really dodging the bullet with that system. So clear overnight tonight, temperatures in the low to mid 30s. Tomorrow, mostly sunny day, but here come the stratiform clouds coming in tomorrow night. That means milder temperatures tomorrow night, and it's going to be a mostly cloudy day Saturday, maybe an interval of sun that'll get our temperature back up to 70 degrees, and we're going to see temperatures reaching 70 again on Sunday. But here comes the rain coming in Saturday night into Sunday morning. We check out the Euro, and boy, it does look wet as we head into Sunday. And when you see these stripes like this, that means the threat of locally heavy rainfall for sure. Here's the Euro model showing 1 to 3 inches of rain. I think that's going to be a pretty good bet. Could see isolated spots getting closer to 2 to 4, maybe even 3 to 5. This one should be wetter than what we had the other night. And then more wet weather on the way as we round out next week. So lots of red and yellows in the 10-day rainfall forecast. And even the GFS has been on to a pretty good soaking. The latest model run farther to the south, but it was going for several inches of rain on the earlier run. And you can see it's just a wet scenario across our area through next week as well. Near term tonight, though, light freeze or frost possible for northern portions of Acadiana, with temperatures getting down to near that freezing mark for just an hour or two around daybreak. Will favor low to mid 30s I-10 corridor. Patchy frost possible here as well. And same down along the coastal parishes, a little bit milder over toward Cameron, per usual by the water. And then after that chilly start tomorrow, upper 50s to near 60 for your high. We stay in the 40s tomorrow night with the clouds coming in and going into Saturday afternoon, again pushing near 70 degrees. So overnight tonight, we're looking at temperatures dipping down to about 34 in Lafayette with a frost light freeze for northern parishes of Acadiana. And then moving into tomorrow, a fine finish to the week. Temperatures topping out near 60 for your afternoon high with sunny skies. Some clouds arriving later in the day, once again, as we indicated. And a mostly cloudy Saturday. Sunday, that's when the soaking comes. We'll say 1 to 3 inches of rain. Unsettled pattern through much of next week with rain chances mid to late next week. Could see another big soaking Wednesday and or Thursday. Thereafter, looking colder as we go through the first week of February. So some light freezes still possible in the near term, but in the long term, we know spring is right around the corner, roughly 3 to 4 weeks away. But tonight, a little chilly out there, and a couple of more chilly nights ahead before we see
we'll
the
just get through
definitive
February. February, and everything will be fine after
exactly.
that.
I'm trying to get Mardi Gras straightened out. No forecast for that other than the forecast for fun.
All right, sounds good. A lot of fun. Thanks, Rob.